This is an example of giving dangerous dogs apples. Dangerous dog?
No, we're not dangerous dogs.
Not dangerous dogs?
We're nice dogs.
You're nice dogs? What about this one? Is this a dangerous dog?
No.
But you guys sure seem very dangerous. You sure like apples.
That's because we're magic puppies.
You're magic puppies?
Yeah.
I thought you were dangerous dogs. What about this one?
I'm a baby one. He's a baby.
You are a baby one.
This is
What about-
the mommy one.
You think this one keeps talking to us? Here, I'll get you one. Hold on. Dangerous dogs. And this one's still not dangerous? Dangerous puppies.
We're not dangerous puppies. We're not dangerous puppies. We're good puppies. Remember, we're good puppies.
Mm-hmm. I do remember. I'm watching it. What I find so amusing are these pups and their apples. What about this one?
I'll give him one.
Okay. Wait, it's better he'll take it right from your hand. Pups and apples.
You'll be an apple pup too.
Okay.
You'll be a magic pup too.
Dangerous dogs. Lots of apples.
Here's an apple. Doggy.
Last one. Woo! More apples later.